Now for the next exercise, we need a section formula. So section formula we have, if point P divide a segment AB in the ratio of m is to n internally, then the coordinate of point P is, it is P is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n and my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Here the lines is, suppose this is a line segment is given, and this is a coordinate and this is B point. Here the coordinate of A is x1 y1 and B point is x2 y2, and P is somewhere here, and the ratio is m is to n. So the values of P will get, that is mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n and my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Similarly, if the point P divide externally the segment AB in the ratio m is to n externally, then the coordinate of the point P is given by, same formula, plus is replaced by minus. That means the, in this diagram we have this point is A and this is B point, and P is outside this segment AB, that is ratio is m is to from here to here n. Okay, so I can identify this. Now if P is the midpoint of a segment AB, then P coordinate is given as x1 plus x2 upon 2 comma y1 plus y2 upon 2, where the segment AB, this is x1 y1 and B is x2 y2, and this point is a midpoint. So this point is given by x1 plus x2 upon 2 comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. Okay, now we will take some example from the exercise. Okay, now exercise 7.2 for sum. In this question it is given that find the coordinate of a point which divide this point. The 2 point is given as, that is minus 1 comma 7 and 4 comma minus 1, sorry 4 comma minus 3. Okay, in the ratio of 2 is to 3, that means the ratio is 2 is to 3. Okay, name this as point A, this as B, and this as point B. That means we need to identify the coordinate of B. So you will write point P divide a segment AB in the ratio m is to n, which is equal to 2 is to 3. Therefore P coordinate is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So this is my x1 y1 x2 and y2. Now I will substitute these values. So m is 2 into x2 is 4 plus 3 into x1 is minus 1, then 2 plus 3 comma 2 into y2 is minus 3 plus 3 into 7 upon 2 plus 3. Okay, now after this 8 minus 3 upon 5 comma minus 6 plus 21 upon 5. So 5 upon 5 and this is 15 upon 5, so which will become 1 by 3. So P coordinate is 1 comma 3. Okay, this is the way how we can solve. Okay, now question number 2. Okay, so question number 2 we have, find the point the coordinate of the point of a trisection of a line segment trisection. That means 3 parts we have to divide. So first we will draw a line segment. Okay, this line segment is given and the coordinate is given as 4 comma minus 1, and this point is given as -2 comma -3, and the trisection, that is, you name this as P1 and this is P2. So this first part, second part and third part. Okay, so to find P1, okay, so for P1, so you will write P1 divide segment AB in the ratio. So for P1, so we have, this is point, name this as A and this is B. So this is A, B. So before P1 we have one circle, and after this, okay, so P1 divide, the ratio is 1:2. Okay, so we'll take M and N. Okay, this is M and N, and A you will get this one, and that is 4 comma -1, and B you will get -2 comma -3. So P1 you will get M x2 plus n x1 upon M plus N, my2 plus n y1 upon M plus N. Okay, so we will substitute this value, that is P1 coordinate is equal to M is what, that is 1, x2 is -2 plus 2 into x1 is 4 upon 1 plus 2 comma 1 bracket -3 plus 2 bracket -1 upon 1 plus 2. Okay, now P1 coordinate is equal to -2 plus 8 upon 3 comma -3 -2 upon 3. So P1 coordinate is equal to 6 upon 3 comma -5 upon 3 is 2 comma -5 upon 3. So this is the coordinate of P1. Now to find P2, so from this diagram you can see, so P2 divide a segment AB in the ratio of, P2 divides segment AB in the ratio of 2:1, and the point will be the same. So we can identify P2, which is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon M plus N comma my2 plus ny1 upon M plus N. Okay, now I will substitute this. So M is 2 into x2 is -2 plus 1 into 4 upon 2 plus 1 comma M is 2 bracket -3 plus 1 bracket -1 upon 2 plus 1. Okay, so this will become -4 plus 4 upon 3 comma -6 minus 1 upon 3. So this will become 0/3 comma -7/3. So P2 coordinate is equal to 0 comma -7 upon 3. This is the way how you can identify the coordinate of point P2. Okay, thank you.